In this video, we'll show you how to set up services and service providers in your SimplyBook.me account. You can access both from the Manage menu on the left. Let's start by setting up a service. Add a name, description, and image. Then choose whether to display this service on the booking page. Use this option to temporarily hide the service, or if you only want to book it manually from the admin side. Add a price if you want to accept payments, and a tax if you've configured one. You can also set up the deposit amount if you like. Once you save changes, you can find a direct link to book the service here. Let's open the Time Details tab. Set the booking duration and add a buffer time if you need extra time before and after the session. If you want to use shorter time increments, adjust the time frame in company time configuration. Consider setting a custom window for how near or far into the future this service can be booked. Hide the duration on the booking page if you like. Check out our dedicated tutorial on appointment at fixed time if you need to configure set booking times or intervals. Use the recurring option to automatically book multiple sessions based on your configuration. Save changes and open the Service Schedule tab to set it up. Use the sliders to adjust openings, add breaks, or remove working periods. If you only want to offer bookings on specific dates, toggle the Special Days switch to set it up. You can choose if the service should only be connected to specific service providers. Configure the additional service-related features below if you like, and save changes. Let's navigate to Manage Service Providers to create a new provider. The configuration is very similar. You can also specify how many clients can be served at a time. Note that booking slots will only be available when both the relevant service and provider have openings. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.